kami hamkrai te panchayat bedek ni bekhakte kaisa orientation panda khaijakha agartala pratia babana kami amchai rokno kuchugoti shakhani panchayat rokta mokhlaine nang aborokno tei shaka kami hamkrai bedek ni abangro tabuk jora kami amchai rokno kuchugoti shakhani kami amchai kaching khlainani tei kaham rang pusani bial korei tei ferang rokni bekhak gobang saptarnani kok sajaka o salo panda koknarekha panchayat bedek ni tangphang komles dor tei bono karibo o panda phaimanjagoi koknarekha kami hamkrai bedek ni principal secretary LH Darlong special secretary Dr. Sandeep Rathor tangphang Debananda Riang additional director Proshon De deputy director Joydeep Chakraborty Akosong
I also extend a very warm welcome to those officers. I may have missed out some other officers who are present here, maybe our auditors, supervisors. If you are there, I extend you all a very good morning. Now, to put it this way, today we are gathered here with a mission. And what is that mission? To achieve the broadly categorized 9 themes of social development goals. We can see the logos of the 9 development goals here, but I'll also just read out. Poverty-free and enhanced livelihood village, healthy village, child-friendly village, water-sufficient village, clean and green village, self-sufficient infrastructure in village, social and just secured village, village with good governance, and women-friendly village. Those of us who are present here today and our other officers, those who are not in our midst, like we have conducted similar workshop for North and Unagoti district in Kumargat PRTI, where our additional director sir has led the team there. The mission or the goal is one, that is to achieve the goal of sustainable development goals under the vision and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Chief Secretary Tripura, our Principal Secretary and Special Secretary RD Panchayat, including other fellow officers, those who are also stakeholders in this great mission. We are expected to achieve these goals by 2030. So, the goal is very good, but the task is challenging and we will have to encounter a lot of challenges. We'll have to come up with a lot of innovations, and today we are here to work out. Maybe we are going to follow a guideline, but each of us present here will have to innovate. We'll have to have a out-of-the-box thinking how to achieve these 9 goals.
Exactly, we know why we are here actually. We all know that India is the signatory to United Nations for 2030 agenda. 2030 agenda means for achieving inclusive, people-centric and holistic sustainable development through 17 identified goals. Later on, actually, expert committee has identified 9 themes aggregating the 17 goals. In other way, incentivizing the panchayat in the form of awards is an integral part of creating a healthy and competitive ecosystem for comprehensive implementation of developing plan. MFA Ministry of Panchayat Raj has been incentivizing the best performing Panchayat Raj institutions through award as an encouragement, enhance their performance in the good governance. All the Panchayat means district Panchayat, block Panchayat, Panchayat, BC, all will attend and actually mandatorily should be take part in the incentivization means National Panchayat Award system. the evaluation committee as respect levels, whatever you send with us, will rank all the panchayats and DCs under each theme and accordingly select top 3 panchayats at every level. We know it very well. I congratulate all of you who are present here. In conclusion of my speech today, I just want to say that